Ensuring a robust immune system is essential for overall health, and the right drinks can make a significant difference. From herbal teas to vibrant smoothies, each drink offers unique benefits that can help strengthen your immune response. Let's explore the top 5 drinks that can support your wellness journey, infusing your body with nutrients while tantalizing your taste buds. First on our list is the classic green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea is rich in catechins, which have been shown to enhance immune function. Sipping a warm cup can be calming while delivering a powerful punch of health benefits. For a refreshing twist, consider adding a slice of lemon, which not only boosts vitamin C content but also elevates the flavor, making it a delightful daily ritual. Next up is elderberry juice, a traditional remedy hailed for its immune-boosting properties. This dark, sweet elixir is derived from elderberries, which are known for their high levels of vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants. Consuming elderberry juice can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Enjoy it alone or mixed into smoothies for a fruity treat that supports your body's defenses. Our third choice is the golden turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. This soothing drink combines the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric with milk or a milk alternative. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that may bolster immune health and fight off infections. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a touch of honey for sweetness, creating a delicious way to enjoy your wellness. Fourth on the list is a vibrant veggie smoothie, brimming with nutrients. Blend leafy greens like spinach or kale with fruits such as oranges or berries for a nutrient-dense beverage packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fiber in these smoothies also promotes gut health, which is closely linked to immune function. A daily smoothie can be a refreshing start to your day, nourishing your body from the inside out. Last but not least, don't overlook the power of homemade ginger tea. Ginger is renowned for its warming properties and ability to fight off infections. Steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water releases its potent compounds, creating a soothing tea that can aid digestion and support the immune system. Add honey and lemon for a comforting blend that will warm your soul and fortify your health.